Yeah.
Blue and green.
Hello everybody, welcome back to a month of my life as a first year interior design student at Northumbria University. Today's Friday and I've got class this morning from 9:30 until 12:30, but right now just got my breakfast, so I'm gonna eat this and then head off. So I'm back from class now, had a nice one-to-one with one of my tutors, and now I'm just eating my dinner and then I'm gonna do some more uni work, and then I've got work later on, so I'm gonna go there, and then after that I'll go to Aldi, do a weekly food shop and then come home. So I just got back from work, just made myself some burger and chips, and then I'm gonna meet my friend for a coffee in about 45 minutes. So tonight is the sports ball. I'm not actually going to the sports ball event, but me and my friends are gonna go to the after party, so I've just got ready for that. Oh, yeah. And then I Today's Tuesday, so I'm in class from 10 until 11:30 in the morning, and then 1:30 until 4 in the afternoon. Today was bank holiday, so I didn't have my usual Monday class, but I did go to my friends and we worked for ages, and then we went to the library, and I only got back. I only left the library at midnight last night because I've got a deadline in a week on Thursday, and I kind of realised well, I've actually got a lot to do, so yeah, kind of stressing, but I'm sure I'll get it done. So I stayed in class until 6 just to get some extra work done, and now I'm about to head off to gymnastics. It's actually the last training session of the year, which is so sad. I'm gonna miss it so much. I'm gonna show you how to do a challenge handstand, practice at home, and you get it. Practice at home. Doing a tutorial.
Turn it into a front walkover on the beam. Go on that side.
No. So So today I'm up nice and early, even though I've not got class, but I'm going to act like it anyway. I'm going to try and get to the studio for 9:30 and then do some work, and then at 12:20 I'm going to the cinema with my friend. We're going to watch the new Michael Jackson movie, which I'm really excited for. I've heard good reviews. And then I need to do some shopping in town afterwards for some dresses, because I've got gymnastics awards night tomorrow, and then I've got Friday night next week, so I need to get 2 formal dresses because I currently don't have any. I need to get some more tracing paper too, because I've got one piece of tracing paper left and I literally need to do 5 technical drawings. Now I'm about to eat some food and then get ready to go out. The theme is trolls tonight, so you'll see me get dressed up as a troll, and then some friends are coming over for prees. Can't lie, I'm pretty exhausted. I literally just did work all day today. I went over to my friend's place and we did work together. I was at uni at first, stayed there for a bit and then left. Yeah, I was meant to go to the gymnastics awards tonight, but I decided not to because I have a lot of work to do. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to skip this one. I just got back, it's 11:45. I'm literally about to head to the library. Today's Friday and I had class this morning, 9:30 till, I stayed till 1. And I had work, and now it's 5 to 9. And got back, had some pizza. I'm gonna head to the library. I'm gonna meet some of my friends there and we're gonna do work. I don't know how long we'll stay because, honestly, I think my friends would go all night, but I just don't think I'm built for that. Maybe midnight, I don't know. We'll see. I left the library at 3 a.m. It's currently 11:30 and I'm gonna head back, do some more work. So today's Sunday. I've been to work this morning, but now I'm back. It's 3 o'clock. Just come to the studio. I'm gonna begin my Photoshop rendering. So we had to do a 3D drawing. I'll show you my drawing, and then I've got to add materials, textures, lighting and stuff in Photoshop. Deadline is on Thursday, so kind of nervous. I don't think I'm gonna get much sleep. Yesterday I left my friends at 12 at like midnight, and then after this I'm gonna head over to hers again, do some more work. So today's Monday, which means it's officially deadline week. It's currently 9:15 and I'm gonna head to uni, either the library or the classroom, I'll see. And then I'm gonna do some work. I'm gonna work on my Photoshop. Yesterday when I went to my friend's, I worked on my technical drawings. I've nearly finished my floor plan, just to add like a few details. So I'm just making my dinner. I had class this morning from 10 till 11:30, but I just came back at 12:30. And then I've got another class from 1 till 4. Oh, I am so tired. But this morning I was working on my Photoshop, and then this afternoon I'm going to work on my development pack. I need to get everything printed so I can get it bound together at some point. Tonight I'm going to fight night, which, do I have time for that? No, but I'm going anyway. And then Wednesday, which is tomorrow, probably going to pull an all-nighter in the library to get it submitted by 10 AM on Thursday. I'm going to be very tired, but it's fine because it'll all be over soon. Friday was good. It's currently 10:30. I'm going to go to the library and get my work done because technically it's deadline day, because it's technically tomorrow at 10 AM, but I'll doubt I'll sleep. I need to get my work bound today. So first thing I'm going to do is print like all my development pack out to get it bound because I need to go by 4 PM.
Bro, is that too tight?
Yeah, no. Again?
Yeah.
Almost. Better stop jumping.
Harder.
Oh, clever.
I'm Sophia Lee.
Nice! Yay! Thank you. Yay.
That's for this one.
Tracing paper and stuff. Just gotten in, it's 6:47. Not going to bother going to sleep because I literally have to wake up in like an hour. So I'm just going to wait. The deadline is at 10 AM. So I've got to go to the studio, hand in my development pack before 10 AM. So I think I'm going to go at 9. For now, I'm just going to eat some food. I'm going to sleep after I've submitted. Tonight I've got Film Society and we're watching Sinners. It's literally one of my favourite movies. So I'm so happy we're watching it, and I'm going to make sure I don't miss it because I really want to watch it, even though I've already seen it twice. So I had my deadline this morning, submitted like just before 10, came straight back, went straight to sleep, and I slept till like 2, and now it's nearly 4. I'm going to head back to the library because I've got a deadline on Monday for a different module, but I'm only going to go for like an hour and a half because I've got Film Society at 6:30. So I've just come to uni, going to do some work as I've got my final deadline tomorrow. The deadline's at 5 PM this time, and last time it was 10 AM, so I have a bit more time tomorrow, which is good. I had work this morning, so it's currently 3 PM, just got here. I need to create some hero images. I've kind of got one. I rendered a floor plan the other day, and then I might create a poster. So I just created this poster for my student grief centre, and then yesterday I created this materials board, and then yesterday I also created this floor plan, and then I added like a sand background to like just say the context, but I don't know if I'll keep it like that. Now I've done some axes. So this is basically that, but 3D. So I might render it, I'm not sure. Also I have actually labelled this. Meditation area, writing area, counselling room, bookshelf, seating area, entrance, art table. I guessed the size, but I redesigned the view in Tynemouth. It's a restaurant on the beach. So basically this was like the location is in, and I've imagined it different. So this is what I drew yesterday. This is the outdoor area, and right now it's looking a bit of a mess, so I'm going to neaten up on my iPad. So today's Monday, got my deadline at 5 PM. I stayed in the library till 1:30 yesterday, and now it's 9:30. I'm just gonna head to the library. I'm just gonna write my project summary and then submit all my work. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm done. Yay! And I'm literally going home tomorrow for a few days and going back, and then got my presentation next Tuesday.